The JAINTIA Students' Union, War JAINTIA Circle, had recently met to discuss on one of the major district roads that has been left unrepaired for a very long time. Speaking on behalf of the union, its president, Eddie K. Potam, said that the particular road at Muktapur on the border of the JAINTIA Hills is one that connects the area to Amlarem, Dauki up to Ladrambai. The road, which has been declared by the Public Works Department as a major district road, has been in a very bad condition, thereby affecting communication to other parts of JAINTIA Hills and Rewar areas of Meghalaya. Potam urged upon the state government to take up this issue with immediate effect so that repair work can start as soon as possible, as the road condition has badly affected not only residents of the area but traders, merchants, tourists and even border defense personnel who have been using the stretch for defense activities.
Tingi kerpat yaga sarkar bagan wat kilat kilanti bagan simkia masano ini ga surak kam kloy marba kapor kala dei ke ba dan kam bat nyim dei so ban sa din tang namor ka surak kidan ru kijaka bagan ni ka surak katang dan kita gijinduna hakaba ni ba kidan kijaka giba sang hakaba la dan kam ru wat ye kini kijingking banyak halor gini ki namar wa kamtam hi por min slap ru ka kamtam hi por slap iba la bankam ni ringkang nagawai ka jaka skawai ka jaka tang namor ba kajing dan gini ki te ka surap ru la dei ban penhe lada longkat bala taba ningkong hi ko aba kloy ka sarkar kan sim gila lenti ban snano eka la dei repairing ane snab yang ikan duk ba sedang badru ni ko baka kandan kata ka jingpet kamba ikan duk ki repair maintenance lada ka sarkar ka sim sha kata ka jing sim kya ban snano ya gani ka surak ni nagalyang ka JAINTIA Students Union war JAINTIA Circle but bro higi nong sa snong jangani ka tan ni kerpat ya ka sarkar makan le ya berankam kublesibon.